another wing car. Seems to be that there may be quite a number of wing cars here. For 1969 they were all Daytonas, and for 1970 they were Plymouth Superbirds. Each was a one-year only deal. This one, read the windshield, 680 miles, original, unrestored. Where else are you going to see this car, along with a bunch of other wing cars, but other than at a show with this prestige? I've been saying it for years. The most prestigious muscle car show in the country, hands down. But because this says Plymouth on the back, obviously it's got to be a 1970.